I've been to FE jury sessions for last 3 years, and I believe that still the entrants need to really work on the overall architect of the case. So which when I say this, I mean that starting from the challenge to insights and then bringing it to life and then the results, they should be interconnected so well that the person who's reading the case study should understand in one go that what the case is all about. I have seen still cases where there is a lag between either the challenge or the idea bringing it to life with results. So that's, I think, very critical, and whoever is making those case studies, they need to really work on that.
So the best advice I could recommend for FE entrants next year is that please attend the sessions the FEs have for writing cases. Please understand what marketing effectiveness is versus a great creative execution. Try to write and build very strong cases where the insight and the idea links very strongly with the objective and the creative, bringing the idea to life. The stronger the cases are, the more well written they are, the better the quality of cases will come in, and overall it will really add to the value of FEs Pakistan, not only at a local but also at a regional and global level.
I've been, it's my second time round for the jury. The cases have definitely improved. The ideations of the cases and the case written has really improved. But my advice to the people who are writing the case is should be user friendly, should be to the point, should be explaining the details correctly rather than going into too much detail where the plot is lost. And your showreel should complement your case writing. So once they do complement each other, there's more chance to go to the next round. And when you put in the information should be correct, where the dates are given. Agar the deadline is 30th September 2020, that means 30th September 2020. You should not go beyond 30th September and put a case that looks really wrong on bigger brands which are putting in the case. So you should have to be careful what you're writing, the spelling errors. These are basics that one needs to read, and understand as a jury. We do assess all these things, how it's been in, so the seriousness comes out. So if the seriousness is there, so looks like that the passion is there to win an award. So my advice to all of you is this, and good luck and all the best. Thank you.
I think keep it simple, keep it straight, don't prolong it too much. And I think you should be very clear in terms of the flow of the case study. That when a jury is reading it or judging it, they should be very clear that they're going through a path rather than going haphazard there and then. So I think that's very important, that keep the case simple, straightforward, and it will have a more effect.